The Zenbusiness Advanced Website Builder may sound complex, but it's surprisingly simple to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. To get started with the Zenbusiness Website Builder, first log into your Zenbusiness dashboard at zenbusiness.com. Once logged in, go to Web Tools and select Website. Then click Build Site, or Edit Site if you've already started. This will open the website builder and you're ready to begin. It's perfect for small businesses that want a polished, professional-looking site without hiring a designer. Before you begin, it's helpful to have your business name and tagline, logo, contact info, and a rough idea of your page layout like home, about, contact. If you're missing anything, no worries. The builder includes a great stock photo library and industry-specific content you can easily customize. The first thing you'll do is pick a template. There are lots to choose from, categorized to make it easier to find one that suits your business. Once you've selected a template, you'll see a left-hand menu with options to add, remove, or rename pages. You can also add pop-ups, great for announcements or promotions. Next, you can enhance your site by dragging and dropping widgets into place. You'll find contact buttons, social media integrations, like Twitter and Yelp, and fun design elements like shapes, videos, and animations. There are also advanced contact form options and widgets that connect to popular services. To edit your content, just double-click on a section. You can change text, replace images, or upload your own. Make sure each section reflects your business properly. You can also build your own pop-ups, create special offers, or set up content for return visitors. If you want to create a blog, it's easy to add and perfect for improving your SEO. Speaking of SEO, you can configure each page with titles, keywords, and descriptions to help your site show up on Google. These settings are found under the SEO options in the builder. Before you publish, check every page of your website to make sure your contact details are correct, images are high quality, and buttons like Get a Quote or Contact Us lead to the right places. You can even link your Instagram feed directly. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your site will go live in moments, and you'll be ready to share it with friends, family, and customers. After publishing, be sure to view your site on both desktop and mobile to make sure it looks great everywhere.